Google Data Studio is a powerful tool that transforms your data into informative, easy-to-read, and shareable dashboards and reports. It's designed to help you visualize your data in a way that makes sense, whether you're a marketer tracking campaign performance or a business analyst diving into sales figures. One of its key features is the ability to connect to various data sources, including Google Sheets, Google Analytics, and even SQL databases. This flexibility allows you to pull in data from multiple platforms and create a comprehensive view of your metrics. Setting up Google Data Studio is straightforward. First, you'll need to create a new report. Once you're in, you can connect to a sample Google Sheet. Just click on the Create button, select Data Source, and choose Google Sheets. After selecting your sheet, you'll see a preview of your data. This is where the magic begins. You can easily manipulate the data to fit your reporting needs, whether that's filtering out certain rows or aggregating data for a clearer picture. Navigating the interface is intuitive. On the left, you'll find the toolbar with options for adding charts, text, and images. The center area is your canvas, where you'll build your report. On the right, you have the Properties panel, which allows you to customize each element you add. Familiarizing yourself with these sections will make your reporting process much smoother. Now, let's create your first chart. Select the chart type you want from the toolbar, like a bar chart or a line graph. Drag it onto your canvas, and then link it to your data source. A pro tip here: use filters to refine your data. For example, if you only want to display data from a specific time period, you can set a date range filter. This helps keep your report focused and relevant. Customizing your report is where you can really make it your own. Click on your chart, and in the Properties panel, you can change colors, add a title, and even insert images. Consistent branding is key, so choose colors that align with your company's palette. Adding a logo or relevant images can also enhance the visual appeal of your report. Sharing and collaboration are seamless in Google Data Studio. You can easily share your reports with team members or stakeholders by clicking the Share button. A pro tip is to use the Embed option, which allows you to integrate your report into websites or presentations. This way, your data can reach a wider audience without them needing to access Data Studio directly. For those looking to elevate their reporting game, templates can save you a lot of time. Google Data Studio offers a variety of pre-built templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Simply select a template that resonates with your goals and tweak the data and visuals as necessary. This not only speeds up the process, but also gives you a professional-looking report with minimal effort. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering Google Data Studio. It's a versatile tool that can help you visualize your data effectively, making it easier to communicate insights and drive decisions.